the beginning of a new era with the advanced Kfir C-10 fighter aircraft. July 2009 marked the delivery of the first 4 upgraded Kfir fighter aircraft in a program including 24 aircraft. The 4th-generation Kfir aircraft are equipped with the most advanced avionics, sensors, and weapon systems, providing the same mission performance as the world's frontline fighters. The success of the upgraded Kfir is the result of thousands of hours of work by skilled engineers and active combat pilots. Over the 3-year development and integration period, the performance and operation of each system was analyzed, integrated, and tested to ensure that the overall system met the mission requirements. After comprehensive integration and ground tests, the upgraded Kfir underwent flight tests, which included hundreds of flight hours to verify the performance of all the new systems and the enhanced aircraft flight envelope. By drawing on the experience of fighter pilots, the Kfir's glass cockpit and operational concept provide the pilot with a clear and updated tactical situation picture for continual monitoring of the battle arena. The Kfir cockpit controls are designed to minimize the pilot workload and achieve optimum mission performance. For the decisive edge in the battle arena, the Kfir pilot is able to deploy a wide range of proven weapon systems with the highest precision. These weapons have all been fully integrated and tested on the upgraded Kfir fighter aircraft. High precision, deployment of smart bombs, long and short-range missiles, advanced multi-mission fire control radar, reconnaissance pod, targeting and designation pod, data link system. The upgraded Kfir fighter aircraft is one of the most advanced fighter aircraft. Its proven performance is supported by the best avionics, sensors, and weapon systems available, providing the performance to eliminate potential threats in the complex battle arena.
As an F-16 pilot for the last 10 years, it has been an excellent experience for me to fly the Kfir jet plane. I was surprised to discover that the weapon systems, and particularly the air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities of the aircraft, are at the same level of the F-16.
Kfir C-10, the ultimate jet fighter.
อย่าลืมกดติดตามและกดกระดิ่งอัปเดตข่าวสารใหม่ๆอยู่ทุกวัน